Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di video kali ini saya akan membahas paket tracer 10244 troubleshoot multi-area OSPF V3. Kita langsung ke skenario-nya. Part 1, use show command to troubleshoot OSPF V3 area 1. In part 1, using the particular symptoms of network failure report in the background or scenario, begin troubleshooting configuration setting at the routers in area 1. Step 1. Check the R2 configuration in area 1. Because R2 is not forming an agency with R1, console into R2 and check its interface, IP address configuration, and its multi-area OSPF V2 configuration. Use the show running config command to view the configuration. Berarti sekarang kita ke R2. Enable show running config. Is R2 OSPF V3 routing process configuration present and correct? Has OSPF V3 been activated on the G0/0 and loopback 1 interfaces, and have they been set to the correct area? Oke, kita lihat konfigurasi pada OSPF-nya ya. On G0/0 di sini loopback 1. Oke, kita lihat areanya sudah benar. Oke, IPv OSPF 10 area 1. R2 adalah berada di area 1, jadi konfigurasinya sudah benar. Oke, if R2 OSPF V3 configuration are correct, it is possible that OSPF V3 has not been configured on the R1 G0/0 interface. Console into R1 and issue a show running config command to check the G0/0 interface for the IPv6 OSPF 10 area 1 configuration. Berarti kita sekarang ke R1. Show running config. Is R1 OSPF V3 routing process configuration present and correct? Has OSPF V3 been activated on the 0/0 interface and set to area 1? Ya, sudah terkonfigurasi. Oke, sekarang it is possible that the hello interval and dead interval timers have been altered from their default values of 10 seconds and and 40 seconds respectively. A timer mismatch can cause the routers to not form agencies. If the dead interval timer is not 4 times the value of the hello interval timer, that could also cause the router to not form agencies. Check the hello interval and dead interval timer on R1 and R2. Oke, sekarang kita cek show IPv6 OSPF interface G0/0. Kita lihat hello intervalnya ya. Hello is 10 and that-nya is 4 times. Oke. Sudah benar. Kita ke R2. Show IPv6 OSPF interface G0/0 timer interval configure hello is 20, that is 100. Oke, berarti di sini ada kesalahan konfigurasi yang harusnya hello itu adalah 10 dan that-nya itu adalah 40. Maka kita akan melakukan konfigurasi ulang dengan mengikuti perintah yang di sini. Correct the hello interval and that interval timer configuration error on R2. Oke. Configure terminal interface G0/0 IPv6 OSPF hello interval is 10 IPv6 OSPF that interval is 40. Oke, sudah ya. Sekarang kita ke step 2. Check the router configuration in area 2 starting with ABR2. Because it was reported that routers ABR2, R3, and R4 were all unable to form OSPF-v3 agencies. Console into the ABR2 border router to see why it is unable to form an agency with ASBR router. OSPF-v3 requires the presence of a bit decimal router ID because ABR2 has no IPv4 addresses assigned to any of its interface. A router ID needs to be manually configured. Configure ABR2 with 6.6.6.6 router ID. Oke, kita lakukan konfigurasi yang telah ada di sini. Kita ke ABR2. Enable configure terminal IPv6 router OSPF 10. Router ID is 6.6.6.6. Okay. If the problem has been correct, syslog message should appear in the console showing OSPF agency changes from loading to full. Di sini loading to full. Oke, berarti sudah berhasil. Sekarang on ABR2 a syslog message showing an agency changes from loading to full with an BR 3.3.3.3 means R3 is now participating in the OSPF v3 area 2 process. Check the R4 has provided route information for its connected network to the OSPF v3 topology database. Oke, kita lihat ini. Show IPv6 OSPF database. Looking at the output of the showing OSPF database command, what information would signal the presence of R4? R4. R4 itu berada di area 2. Router ini.
Nena, ngapa belum habis ini?
Step 3. Check ASBR4 OSPF v3 default route distribution. Because ASBR is the edge router, it should have a static IPv6 default route configure. If so, it can distribute that route using OSPF v3 and a default information originate command. Is there IPv6 route configure on ASBR? Does the OSPF v3 routing process configuration have a default information originate line present? On OSBR, add a default information originate command to the OSPF v3 routing process. ASBR in here. Okay. Enable configure terminal IPv6 router OSPF 10 default originate. Oke, kita sudah selesai melakukan konfigurasi sesuai yang diminta pada skenario. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.